Hello YouTubers and welcome. I've got a new Bluetooth speaker. I've got two to review. This one and the other one. This one's called the zealot Bluetooth speaker S31 wireless speaker. This is a temu speaker, which I got from Temu. This one's in black, but you can get it in different colours. Anyway, this is a unboxing and sound test. So without further ado, let's begin. So, in the box, you get your standard instructions. It is in British or Chinese. It's mostly a Chinese speaker. I'm not going to show you the instructions because you're not going to want to see them. You get that style of USB. I can't remember what grade it is, but very short wire. That style seems to be a very good wire. So now let's move on to the speaker itself. And here's the speaker. So you get two speakers there, a passive radiator. I'm pretty sure this also functions as a radio. This has a rubberized, smooth, soft feel. You have the aux. You can plug in a micro USB card, which will play music. I think you can do the same here with the USB. You charge it from here. Anyway, let's turn it on and connect it. So yeah, I think you press the mute button to turn it on.
Welcome to use Zealot products. Bluetooth mode.
Right, so I've put it in Bluetooth mode. So I'm going to connect the speaker. So I'm going to go and pair it on my tablet. Oh, sorry guys. It's called zealot in the thing. Just waiting for it to pair. Still waiting for it to pair. This is the first time connecting to my tablet, guys, and I've not even heard the sound of this yet, so about to hear what it sounds like. In fact, try pairing it again. There we go, it's connected. It took a second. Right. Now we're about to find out and see what this zealot speaker sounds like. I do apologise for the background, how shaky it is. I haven't done a video in a little while. Let's see. We might have to watch an advert, guys.
This gives you more chances to win. Or is it? This new
Wow, okay. First impressions, it has got good bass.
We call it VA. You get more chances to win.
Yeah, sorry about the adverts, guys. On this one I don't have Brave. Here we go. That's just over halfway on my tablet volume for this. Here's the song I'm using.
that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know?
I'm quite impressed,
If
guys.
you're gonna
Sounds
leave,
not
I'ma
bad at
let
all.
you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired
Sorry, guys.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back.
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of the review of the zealot Bluetooth speaker. Hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye.